is Wolfgang Krosky with Krosky Real Estate, and we are here at 315 Railroad. This is a commercial location, potentially site for a deli, or previously it was a mini market. It has a great location here in Old Town. There's the California Theater, and directly across the street is the New Mecca Cafe. So foot traffic is tremendous down here. You also have the Pittsburg Marina right there. So you're by the Pittsburg Marina, across the street from the New Mecca Cafe, and right next door to the California Theater. Let's go on inside and check out some of the features. You already had your refrigeration in place. Okay, it's running. And then back here, you have your 3-part sink. And wash station. You have a, could be a storage area. Water heater, 180A restroom, and there's the entrance to the walk-in fridge. Again, this is 315 Railroad. My name is Wolfgang Krosky with Krosky Real Estate, and this could be the future site of your deli or your little grocery store. Give us a call, 925-219-8488.